Hello. Today, we will learn about the phrase base something on something. This expression means to use one thing as the reason or foundation for another. For example, you can base your opinion on facts, or you can base a story on real events. It is a common phrase in English. You often hear it in conversations, writing, and work. Remember, base something on something is separable. You can say, base your decision on facts or base on facts if the object is clear. Be careful not to say base on without an object. For example, I base on my experience is incorrect. Say I base my decision on my experience instead. You can use this phrase to explain why you made a choice, or to show where your information comes from. Try to use it when you talk about reasons, causes, or foundations. Some common collocations are base a decision on, base a story on, and base an opinion on. Practice by making sentences with things you base on something. For example, I based my answer on the book I read. Now you know how to use base something on something. Keep practicing and use it in your speaking and writing. Thanks for watching. See you next time.